Good morning, lovely students. Let's start today's class with a thought. You can learn something new every day if you listen carefully. So, you should listen to your parents, teachers, and elders. Okay, now let's start today's class. As we have discussed in our last class, we can arrange numbers in two ways. And what were the two ways? First way from smallest to largest, and the second way is from largest to smallest. And also we have arranged the number from smallest to largest in our yesterday's class. And what we call it? We call it arranging number in ascending order. Now, when we arrange anything from biggest to smallest, then it is called descending order or decreasing order. As we can see in this picture, we have arranged the same flower pots in decreasing order of their height. That means first we can see the biggest flower pot, and in the last we can see the smallest flower pot. So, we have arranged this flower pot in decreasing or descending order. So, what does descending order means? Descending order means arranging anything from biggest to smallest. Got it, everyone? So students, let's start with an example that we have discussed in our yesterday's class. In this example, we can see four numbers written on four strips, right? So let's read out these numbers again. 237, 238, 230 and 235. So, in yesterday's class, we have arranged these numbers in ascending order, that means from smallest to biggest. And what we have to do today? We have to arrange the same numbers in descending order, that means from biggest to smallest. From biggest to smallest मतलब बड़े से छोटा. So again we will follow the same process. What we will do? We will first check for hundreds place. So here, as we had seen yesterday also, in all the four numbers we have 2 at hundreds place, right? So what we have to do next? We have to check for tens place also. And here again at tens place we have the same digit 3 in all the four numbers, right? So what's the next step? We have to check for ones place also. So here we have 7, 8, 0 and 5 at ones place. Now students, yesterday we have arranged these four digits in increasing order, that means from smallest to biggest, because we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. But today what we are doing? We are arranging these numbers in descending order. So we have to arrange them from biggest to smallest, right? So let's arrange these four digits from biggest to smallest. So which number is biggest among 0, 5, 7 and 8? Right, 8. Then 7, then 5 and then 0. That means 8 is bigger than 7, is bigger than 5, is bigger than 0. So what will be the biggest number? The number which is having 8 at unit digit. And which will be the smallest number? The number which is having 0 at units digit. Got it, everyone? So when we arranged them, we got 238 as the biggest number, then 237, then 235, and then the smallest number 230. That is just opposite of the ascending order that we have arranged in our yesterday's class. Got it, everyone? Students, now let's take another example to understand it. Here are some numbers written and we have to arrange them in decreasing order. That means from biggest to smallest. So, as we have discussed some rule in our yesterday's class, we will follow the same rules again. So, what was the first rule? Yes, the first rule was to compare the number of digits in each case. So let's start and compare the number of digits in each case. So here 7070 has 4 digits, 970 has 3 digits, 6761 4 digits, 7065 4 digits, 6666 4 digits, and 89 has 2 digits. Now from this, what we can see? We can see that 4 numbers have 4 digits and 2 numbers have less than 4 digits. One has 3 digits and one has 2 digits. So here we are arranging the numbers in descending order, and in descending order we have to arrange the number from biggest to smallest. That means 4 digit number will always be bigger than 3 or 2 digit numbers, right? So सबसे पहले हमें 4 डिजिट वाले नंबर्स पे चेक करना पड़ेगा कि उन 4 डिजिट वाले नंबर से कौन सा नंबर ज़्यादा बड़ा है, बिकॉज बाकी दो जो नंबर्स हैं उनमें एक में 3 डिजिट्स हैं एंड एक में 2 डिजिट्स, तो वो दोनों तो छोटे ही होंगे उनसे. सो लेट्स चेक फॉर दीज 4 डिजिट्स नंबर फर्स्ट. Now what was the second rule? We have to compare the thousands place, right? So in the first number we have 7 at thousands place, in the second number we have 6, third number again we have 7 at thousands place, and in the fourth number we have 6 at thousands place. Now two numbers are having 7 at thousands place and two numbers are having 6 at thousands place. 7 is greater than 6. So both the two numbers that are having 7 at thousands place will be greater than the other two numbers, right? So I have written these two numbers first. Now what was the third rule? If thousands place is same, we have to check for hundreds place. So let's check for hundreds place. In first two numbers we have 0 in the both numbers at hundreds place. So what we have to do? We have to check for tens place also. So let's check for tens place. In the first number we have 7 at tens place, and in the second number we have 6 at tens place. Which number is greater, 7 or 6? Right, 7 is greater than 6. So 7070 will be the greatest number. After that 7065, then 6761, then 6666, after that 978, and then 89. So we have successfully arranged these numbers in descending order. That means from biggest to smallest. और यहाँ हमने क्या देखा? फर्स्ट रूल के होने की वजह से जहाँ हमने डिजिट्स को पहले ही कंपेयर कर लिया था कि हमारे पास कितने नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स हैं नंबर में, किसी भी नंबर में, उससे हमारा काम आसान हो गया. हमें सिर्फ 4 डिजिट्स वाले नंबर को ही कंपेयर करके अरेंज करना पड़ा. बाकी दो जो 3 डिजिट और 2 डिजिट वाले नंबर थे उनकी सीक्वेंस हमें पहले ही पता चल गई, क्योंकि 3 डिजिट और 2 डिजिट वाला नंबर हमेशा 4 डिजिट वाले नंबर से छोटा होगा. गॉट इट एवरीवन? सबको समझ आया? सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज क्लास. नाउ लेट्स डू योर वर्कशीट टू अरेंज द नंबर इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. थैंक यू. हैव अ थॉटफुल डे. Bye bye.